Hello everyone, welcome back to Update here. If you are looking for an exciting job opportunity with one of the leading tech company, then this video is for you. So today we are talking about SAP job opening for a developer role. So if you are passionate about AI, cloud technologies and software development, stick around it. We are going to discuss all the details about this job role, what is eligibility criteria, who can apply for this, what are all the things that are required, all the things are discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where you will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now coming to the role, that is SAP, it is a global leader enterprise software. It is looking for a developer associate. In this role, you will work on developing and deploying the AI application on SAP business technology platform, and also will automate the process and also solve the complex technical challenges. It is an amazing chance to join a fast-paced team and contribute to the cutting-edge technologies in AI and as well as cloud services. Now, coming to the key responsibilities for this role, so first AI application development on SAP, that you will be responsible for creating AI applications and deploying them on a SAP cloud platform. Automating the processes, efficiency is a key for them. You will automate the process to ensure the scalability and smooth cloud operations. Solving the complex problems, this job requires a proactive mindset to address the technical challenges with effective solutions. Stay updated with the AI trends where you will need to keep up with the latest advancement in AI, especially in generative AI and large language models. Collaborating across the teams, work alongside cross-functional teams to build innovative solutions, and also there are some best practices that follow coding standards and best practices for reliable and efficient development. The skills that required for this educational background where you need a bachelor's or a master's degree in computer science or a related field, cloud experience where experience with a cloud platform like AWS, Azure or GCP. It is essential with a strong programming skills like proficiency in the programming language Python, Java, JavaScript is must in this, and also AI and machine learning, good knowledge you need to be have, and also understanding of AI concepts with a crucial software development principles like familiarity with the software development practices like solid principles and test driven deployment, and problem solving and analytical skills where you should be great in solving the problems and thinking analytically. Communication and collaboration skills, excellent communication skills and as well as important as you will be working with diverse teams also. So why this role is exactly, so this role perfect for someone who passionate about AI and cloud computing. SAP is at forefront of these technologies, and working here gives a chance to grow professionally while contributing to groundbreaking projects. The environment is dynamic and you will be solving the real world problems with the cutting edge solutions. Before you apply, here are some of the tips from my side. That is, highlight your experience with AI. If you have hands on experience with AI or machine learning, be sure to showcase it. Demonstrate the cloud knowledges like whether it's AWS, Azure, or GCP. Show how you have worked on the cloud technologies. Showcase the problem solving skills. Talk about situation where you have had find the creative solutions to the complex problems. Be clear about your programming skills. Make sure your resume reflects your proficiency in Python, Java, or JavaScript. And the link is there in the description box. If you want to apply for this role, you can simply press on apply button. You can apply for this opportunity. And that is for today's video. If you found this video helpful, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. You will never miss any update. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity.